going on, Justin?
What's up, TikTok?
So, life update, you know, we're here at Justin's garage. Loading stuff with E30. Put on these shitty fitting over fenders, but we're gonna make it work. Because you got wheels that don't fit.
We rolled the fenders with vice grips for science. Fuck! Put it back!
The kids are mine. So what do we start with?
I'm gonna be with this guy.
Alright, we're gonna cut this. We'll be back.
Could you grind?
You ever seen the inside of E30?
We cut it a little high, it might be hard to weld.
No, you bang it with a hammer.
Yeah, but up top, it's really far away.
I'm gonna tell him. Alright, first cut. Cracking the seal on this.
Cracking the seal.
On this nice and bright.
That way.
I don't know how to pry it.
Get channel.
Yeah, channel on. Channel on.
Whatchamacallums.
Gripping and ripping. Oh fuck, what's that?
Remember vice grips?
Should we cut like another one like right here? Like all the way through?
Yeah, afterwards.
We
We hammer it first, then
No, I mean just to get this out of here.
It's gonna be dangerous cutting it all the way through.
This is dangerous.
Build it cheese up. I mean, it's not that far gone.
You can put it back. Weld it back up.
Imagine.
No.
This
Somebody,
light's in the way.
somebody bought this car brand new and loved it.
I bought it off of oil.
The lawyer?
Kid's
His dad was a prick.
His dad was.
Yeah, send him a picture.
He's like every time I say some shit.
He's gonna see my story.
You filming or you just filming?
I'm filming right now.
Got some music on.
Worthless forums.
Why is it still smoking? Is it on fire?
I think it is.
I just beat probably.
No, dude, it's been smoking from there for
Oh, Dan's counting.
You learn how to do that in the gym.
Yeah. That's what happened.
Dude, it's been
You
smoking.
work out.
also.
I work out.
It looks like a bunch of bread in there on the camera.
Just a loaf.
We found 16 tons of fentanyl in this car. Oh my god, spinning grinder. Oh my
Justin's ankles like. You gotta hit the gas too.
Hold on, wait, I'm gonna video it.
All the asbestos.
Get the drop set going.
I don't know how you know if this fucking thing works.
All right, we got this thing all cut up, ready to get welded. See how it goes. Kind of got it formed so it's nice and tight. Then we can weld it and then grind it away and cut the excess off. How you feeling right now? On a scale of 1 to 10.
I'm great.
It's going
I'm
good.
good.
It's going good.
Not on a scale of 1 to 10.
12.
12? All right.
I've only made a lot of like.
Yo, Dan, who is there?
I looked at it. Sounds better already.
Go ahead, someone tell me.
Siri, turn off the song.
What song is that?
We'll grind it all down after.
Take a look around the welding mess. He's nowhere to look.
I'll weld it.
We got a weld man in the tag.
Dan wants to sub in.
I used to weld at work all the time.
I wasn't even on the fucking line. How do you see?
Hold on. Stop.
You see when it lights up.
Stop! Time out.
You're supposed to bond
Hold on.
together.
Ready? Start like right here.
Don't touch it.
You know the motion you're
It
supposed
doesn't
to
help
do?
that that metal's like not even stripped. Now, see, go
No
like,
mass,
go
send it.
like this angle.
Do push or drag.
Do backwards ease.
Yeah, you go like side.
It's supposed to sound like you're cooking eggs.
Yeah, well, it's not.
It sounds like you're frying bacon.
This ain't working. I shouldn't be able to weld anything.
We got Dan up next. We got Dev.
I'll try one.
I just fucked the head off of it.
It'll heat up. I forgot to catch it on fire.
I'm not trying to touch you, bro.
No, it died. No way.
How you feeling now? Scale of 1 to 10.
Fine.
Fine still? Not really much welders.
We should have had him come.
You're right.
Why? He knows how to weld?
It's like his job.
Oh. Alright.
Next time.
we got it all welded up or boogered up. It looks okay.
No, it doesn't.
No, it looks pretty bad. But we don't really know. We don't know how to weld, but it's gonna work. We're just gonna flap it down, see how many holes we gotta fill. Flap it down, sand it a little bit, seam seal it, paint it, throw the over fender on it. See you later. Ship it.
That's it.
Ship it. Looks good.
All right, we don't want to hear about the welds in the comments. We understand.
Yeah.
All right.
It's our first time.
It does the job.
At least it's not like flipped up, self-tapered, looking terrible.
Yeah, that's great actually.
Looks great.
It's better than I would have done it.
Yeah.
It'll work.
I wouldn't have done it. to
It'll
my
work.
car.
Catch us next time on YouTube.
Yeah. See you soon.
Hey, Tick.
Alright guys, so we got it welded up. We got it primered. A little flapper, make it look a little nicer.
Flappage.
A little flappage. Justin's gonna seam seal it tomorrow. And then primer it again. And then hopefully another day, this weekend we'll do the other side. And then get the overs fitted good. But you know, it's a lot of work to get this, get it fitted. You know? We'll be out there.